The European People's Party, we are the Christian Democrats of this continent. So we are value-based and we are strongly in favor of Europe. We are the founding party of the European Union.
The European People's Party, often referred to as the EPP, is the centre-right parliamentary group. It's the largest political group in the European Parliament with 182 seats. The EPP group in Parliament has existed in one form or another since 1953, making it the oldest pan-European political group.
We are the party who wants to have strict and strong border control, with a readiness to help people who really need our help. We need fair trade agreements, so a global dimension is for us important. And as a third element, we want to create jobs inside of the European Union, because especially young people cannot have a future without jobs.
The EPP group has MEPs from 26 of the 28 member states, with the exception of the UK and Estonia.
What we have to do is to make out of the European Union also a more democratic Europe. That's why we fight for a strong European Parliament.